In this video, I'm going to teach you five easy steps as to keep you not as stressed out and keep you as a guidance as to what to do when you purchase a home. Hello folks, how you doing? My name is Lisek. I'm a local real estate agent here in Boston. Work for EXP, and I want to go over how to purchase a home in 2021. And at the end of the video, I'm going to even teach you how to get up to $25,000 free money as towards the down payment. Sound exciting? I know I would be. $25,000 cash? Listen to the rest of the video and let's go. Okay, so step number one, what we're going to talk about is financing. Most people don't realize that all you need to put down is 3% down to purchase a home. Some could even put 0% down to purchase a home. In another video, we're going to talk about financing in thorough. But your main thing you got to do is you have to go to your bank. You have to ask your banker, do a loan application. They take about 20 to 30 minutes to get done. With that application, they're going to give you a guideline as to what you can afford. Unlike purchasing a car where you can just walk into a dealership and buy a car, when you purchase a home, it's a little more thorough. They want to get into the nitty-gritty as to what you make. They want to really know about your credit score, what your debt-to-income ratio, things of that sort. But what I want you to do is first find out what you can get approved for. That's the most important. Once you know what you can get approved for, then we're going to go step number two, and that is what type of home I want to buy. What are your needs? Are you looking to purchase a condo where there's not much maintenance to do in the exterior? Or you want to buy a single family home and be the lord of your domain in your land? Or do you want to be a landlord? Get some of that income property to help you, pay for the mortgage. Or lastly, get a mobile home. Some people want to live in a mobile home because the prices are very inexpensive, very affordable, and yet it's a place to live with a roof on your head. The choice is yours and you have to decide what you want to do. So most people in Boston want to buy a condo. They don't want to deal with cutting the grass. They don't want to deal with fixing the roof, fixing the maintenance. They want to just walk in, walk out. It's like hotel living. That's what I call it. And in Boston, because of the lack of land, there are a lot of condominiums. Developers over the years have transformed buildings into condominiums per floor or multiple units per floor, as opposed to a single family home where a developer could do where there's more land, like say in the South Shore, North Shore, even Western Mass, where you get a little bit more for your money, but you also got to travel, right? Or you want to be a landlord, have a multifamily, live in a 2-family, 3 or 4 family, have the rents generate and help you pay your mortgage. That's the route I went. So, I can understand the people that do want to go that route. Or if you just want to go and live in a mobile home, because it's very affordable. You still got a roof on your head, and it's in a mobile trailer park. Believe it or not, Boston does have one, for those people that don't know. And you also, the maintenance fees are low. So it's up to you to decide what you want, what type of home, and then how much space you need. Do you need a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom? It's up to you, your needs. You have to decide that. Number 3 on the list, location. What can I say? Location, location, location. Are 3 words in real estate that every realtor and most people know. But you as a newbie, I want to stress this: location is key, because even in a down market, your house will be worth, it won't go down as much, but it will, and when it rebounds, it goes back up even higher. So location is very key. I want to add one more to that, is time. Reason why location is where it's at, because the time that you save and where you want to go. There's a lot of traffic in Boston. It was ranked one of the top 5 in the country with the worst traffic. And now COVID's pretty much over at this time. Traffic's come back to normal. I'm sure a lot of you people can attest to that. So I say, can't stress, location, location, location. Number 4, should I hire a realtor? Yes, you should. Buying a home is very, very stressful. It's very emotional. You need someone to hold your hand or help you in that process of taking out those emotions. A really good realtor, and there are a lot of them. I'm one of them, but there are a lot of us that do very good at our jobs. We have to be not only update take classes every 2 years to mandate that we have continuing education up to 12 hours. Most realtors are really good at what they do. So you're going to work with work with someone that you trust, work with someone that you feel comfortable with. You know, that's why there's so many of us. Not everyone's comfortable with everyone. Everyone has a different style. You know, I know myself, I deal good with some people, some I don't. So it's just the way it is. So I really stress, hire someone as a professional. You know, you don't go to your mechanic and ask them about your foot problems, or vice versa. You don't go to your doctor saying, hey, how much money do you think I can get for my home? No, just go to a professional, hire the professional. And 9 out of 10 times, 99% of the time I should say, the seller pays for the buyer's agent. So not only you get all that experience and all that hand holding and all that, you know, knowledge, you're not even paying for it. The seller is. So why wouldn't you hire a realtor? And finally, number 5, contracts and negotiations. Okay, in Boston, or Massachusetts, we have a 2-part contract system. First, we have an offer and an offer to purchase. People think that if they put in the offer, they think it's all said and done. It's not. You have a lag time, usually 10 to 14 days between the offer and offer to purchase. Offer is initial offer. People put usually about $1,000 down. I always tell my buyers, if you can afford to put up to $5,000 down. Because in a hot market that we're in now, you gotta show the seller that you mean in business. If there's multiple offers, they're like, wow, these people really want the place. They're putting $5,000 down. And then there's also other issues. Are you gonna do a home inspection? Are you gonna do a radon check? Are you doing a pest inspection? Are you gonna do a chimney inspection as a fireplace? There are so many issues that you wanna do your due diligence after you get an accepted offer. And your realtor will help you in that process. If you don't know a good home inspector, your realtor will give you a list of them and say, hey, call one of these people. And they can even tell you, saying, hey, you know, I like this one, I didn't like this one. It depends. We're not supposed to share or push anyone towards you, but we can guide you as to, based on our experiences. So that's what I say. Then within the home inspection, you're gonna find some things that are wrong. It's inevitable. Every house has a problem. Every condo has a problem. New construction, old, doesn't matter. So what I tell people is this. I say, look, if you're willing to purchase the home and fix the problems, a lot of times you can ask the seller to fix it. In a hot market like this, some sellers won't even touch anything. They'll do things that are reasonable. But say if it needs like a whole new roof, or you need some structural work, more than likely they're gonna give you credit at the closing if they want to sell it to you. Otherwise, they're gonna be like, I'll sell it to the next person. So it's totally up to you to realize that after the offer, there's an inspection part, and then there's the purchase and sale, where you put an additional up to usually 5% of the purchase price. I've seen as low as $5,000, $10,000, 2-3% of the purchase price. So you made it to the end, and I promised you how to get up to $25,000 free cash as a down payment. And I'm gonna promise you this. Go to www.masshousing.com. It's an institution that actually helps lenders to get first-time homebuyers qualified. It states right here, even on their website, up to $25,000 for Boston and Gateway City homebuyers, meaning Boston being one of the 26 city gateways. And for the rest of the cities and towns in Massachusetts, they'll do up to $15,000 in all other communities, which is unbelievable. That's the most hardest part, is for a person to save up the money for the down payment. Why not take advantage of it? And they'll only put up to 3% down payment, meaning that it could even be 0. Sound too good to be true? I thought so too, but I did the research. I can't believe it. So I hope this information is informative to you folks, and I hope that you do take that step to become a homeowner, and this helps you out. Thanks again for watching this video. If you found value in it, please like it. Also in the comments down below, just write down any questions you might have. I will respond back to you. Again, my name is Alex Lisek. I work for eXp Realty, and if you'd like to like, share, and subscribe to this station, and also hit that bell for more future videos, please do so. Again, I wish you the best of luck in your purchase, and I hope that everything does go well. And I love helping our clients build their wealth in real estate. Thanks again. Peace be with you, and God bless. Bye.